We're talking about how to grade an assignment in Canvas using rubrics. And the tool that you use to do that is inside of SpeedGrader. And so there's multiple ways of getting to SpeedGrader for a particular assignment in Canvas. The easiest way is from your dashboard. This is the assignment that I want to show you right here, Grade Sharing Course Policies. And so you can click on it from right there and it will take you right to SpeedGrader. That's the fastest and easiest way to do it. But it is possible also to get there from the assignment itself. In this particular case, this is a discussion, but it could be an assignment as well. If it's an assignment, the SpeedGrader button shows up over here on the right top. For a discussion, it shows up under these three dots right here, SpeedGrader. And so if I go to SpeedGrader for this particular discussion, this is what SpeedGrader looks like if you're not familiar with this tool. Even in a discussion, or if this is an assignment and they're submitting, say, a Word document, their work shows up right here in the window for you to be able to view and evaluate and so on. If it is a Word document, then there are tools up here that you can mark up their document, leave comments, several different things there. But because this is a discussion, those tools are not available. And so the main thing that we're looking at in SpeedGrader here, again, is using rubrics. And so if I click on, when you made your rubric, as long as you clicked on that checkbox that said use rubric for grading this assignment, then this button shows up right here. And so you can view the rubric, and I'm going to make this wider right here so I can see the whole rubric. And literally, actually, I guess I should correct myself. That View Rubric button will show up whether you check that box off or not. But when you mouse over boxes, if they don't turn green like this, then you did not check that box off because you can't use it for grading. You can see it, but you can't use it for grading. So you want to make sure that that box was checked off for the assignment. And so literally, to grade this, I read his work, and I just click on the different pieces of the rubric. And if you noticed, the points automatically went into each box over here, correlating to the performance level that I checked off. If I change this one to 3, that automatically changes to a 3. Change it to 0, automatically changes to 0. And do notice that I can go in here and make comments on just this particular criterion. And so I can click on that comment and give him a comment beyond what's in my rubric. If for some reason there's something unique here that I need to give him specific feedback on, then I can do that for a specific criterion within the rubric. And so that's available. And so once I have my points the way that I want them, I click on Save, and notice what happens. In this grade box, that 15 automatically populated, and that means it also automatically populated into your grade book. And do notice what you can do down here. Also, you can add overall comments for this particular student on their assignment, just general comments that might be beyond your rubric. You can also attach a sheet if you had further comments or something for them to see, maybe an answer key to this. And you can also provide video or audio comments and feedback to your student. Do notice that there's a separate button for submitting the comments, either written, attached, audio or video. You hit submit, and those comments will go to the student then. And so that student is graded. I just click on this arrow up here and I move on to the next student and do the same thing. Makes it very fast and easy grading within the rubric.